I already cut my celery and my onion. I have to cut this bacon.
We're like songs from Spotify.
We got our bacon, our meat, onions and celery. Before she was going to put caramelized onion butter. I'm going to put in some Italian cowboy butter, 48 ounces.
Say we're all thankful for Luke. It's you again.
Another sleepless night, and it's the same old story.
Y'all have a good night.